What if the life-changing therapy could fit inside a microscopic pellet? Yes, you heard right. Pancreatin Pellets by Umang Pharmaceuticals are unlocking new possibilities for stable, effective, and consumer-friendly enzyme delivery. A miniature innovation carrying powerful enzymes that the body needs. From pellet size to release profiles and excipients, pancreatin pellets can be tailored to meet specific pharmaceutical and nutraceutical requirements. Pancreatin pellets are available in 10,000 lipase units, 25,000 lipase units, and 40,000 lipase units, with each strength delivering balanced enzyme activity of amylase, protease, and lipase. This flexibility gives you the freedom to innovate while ensuring improved therapeutic outcomes. Pancreatin supports nutrient absorption, but loses effectiveness when destroyed by stomach acid before reaching the intestine. Pancreatin pellets with enteric coating protect enzymes from stomach acid and release them in the intestine, ensuring effective results and better consumer comfort. Pancreatin pellets are used across pharmaceuticals and nutraceuticals, from capsules and tablets to supplements like gummies. Encapsulation enhances stability, extends shelf life, and shields enzymes from moisture and oxidation. It also enables targeted release through immediate, sustained, or delayed release patterns, offering flexibility for diverse dosage forms. What makes pancreatin pellets powerful isn't just the enzymes, but the science of encapsulation that delivers them exactly where they're needed. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on encapsulation for versatile industrial applications.